Good evening, everyone. My name is R. Naja Jasmine. I am studying BTech Mechanical Engineering, third year in SRT College, Anantapur. Today, we are going to discuss types and classification of jigs and fixtures in machining process subject. Introduction to jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures are essential tools used in manufacturing processes to enhance productivity and ensure accuracy. They guide and support the workpiece or tools during machining operations. Proper classification of these tools helps in selecting the right device for specific manufacturing needs. Definition of jigs and fixtures. A jig is a device that guides the cutting tool and holds the workpiece during machining. A fixture is a work holding device that securely positions the workpiece without guiding the tool. Both are used to improve precision and repeatability and efficiency in manufacturing. A jig is a device which guides the cutting tool, whereas a fixture is a work holding device, which means in simple words we can say jig is a cutting tool holding device, while a fixture is a work holding device. Jigs are primary classification based on function. Jigs are primarily used to guide the cutting tool during machining. Fixtures are mainly used to hold, support, and locate the workpiece securely. The functions determines whether a device is classified as a jig or a fixture. Based on manufacturing process, jigs and fixtures are designed specifically for processes like drilling, milling, turning, and grinding. The design varies depending on the type of machining operations involved. Proper classification ensures compatibility with designated manufacturing processes. Classification based on movements. Fixed jigs and fixtures do not allow movement of the workpiece or tool once set. Adjustable jigs and fixtures allow for modification to accommodate different workpieces. Movement capabilities influence the choice of jigs or fixture in production. Classification based on construction material. Common construction materials include steel, cast iron, aluminum, and plastic. Material selection depends on strength, durability, and cost consideration. The material affects the longevity and precision of the jig or fixture. Classification based on degree of automation. Manual jigs and fixtures require operator intervention during setup and operation. Semi automatic devices incorporate some automated features for efficiency. Fully automated jigs and fixtures are integrated with CNC machine for high speed production. Classification based on design complexity. Simple jigs and fixture are easy to use and used for small scale production. Complex designs are used for intricate parts requiring high precision. Complexity influences manufacturing cost and sustainable for mass production. Types are types of jigs. Jigs are basically classified into different types on their design and application. They are primarily served to guide cutting tools position workpiece accurately. Types include drill jigs, milling jigs, and welding jigs. Types of fixtures. Fixtures are designed to securely hold workpiece during machining process. They are categorized based on the workpiece shapes and machining process. Common types include check fixtures, clamp fixtures, and index fixtures. First, we will know what are the jigs. Drill jigs are used to guide drilling tools accurately to the workpiece. They help in maintaining consistent hole location and size. These jigs are widely used in mass production for drilling operation. In the name itself, we can see the jigs are called as drill jigs, which means with the jigs can be used while drilling a hole. Milling jigs. Milling jigs facilitate milling operations by guiding the milling cutter. They ensure precise cut and repeatability in machining complex shapes, used extensively in manufacturing for component fabrication. The name itself, milling fixtures, which means it helps milling cutters for guiding the operation. Welding jigs. Welding jigs hold parts in proper alignment during welding process. They improve weld quality and consistency. Welding jigs are essential for producing accurate and small welds. In the cement, we can see the welding jigs. Welding jigs are used for creating a more strong weld in assembly lines. Now we will know what are different types of fixtures. Chuck fixtures. Chuck fixtures are used to hold cylindrical workpiece on lathes. They provide secure and precise gripping during turning operations. Common in both manual and CNC machining for rotational works. In this image we can see chuck fixtures, which means they are most commonly used in lathe tools, lathe machine, etc. Clamp fixtures. Clamp fixtures uses clamps to hold workpiece firmly in a place. They are versatile but can be adjusted different workpiece sizes, often used in milling, grinding, and machining operations. Clamp fixtures are the fixtures which are used to hold the workpiece firmly in a place. The simple example which we can use is bench vise. The bench vise are placed in different operations such as drilling, grinding, machining, etc., and many more operations to hold the workpiece in steady in one place. Index fixture. Index fixtures enables rotation of workpiece to perform multiple operations at different angles. They improve productivity by reducing setup time for multi-sided machining, widely used in gear and wheel manufacturing. The index fixtures are mainly used in milling machines. Which index by using the direct indexing method, we can cut many holes through a gear at a time, and it is also for precise cutting. Special jigs and fixtures. Special jigs and fixtures are custom designed for specific parts and processes. They provide high accuracy and efficiency for unique manufacturing needs. Customization allows for handling complex or unusual workpieces. In this event, we can see special types of jigs and fixtures which are used only in some the machines. Advantages of using jigs and fixtures. They increase production rates by enabling quicker steps and operations. They improve accuracy and repeatability in manufacturing. They reduce operator fatigue and minimize human errors. Limitation and consideration. Initial design and manufacturing of jigs and fixtures can be costly. They are most effective when used for large batch production. Proper maintenance is essential to retain precision and functionality. Conclusion. Understanding the types of jigs and fixtures and also the classification is vital for efficient manufacturing. Selecting appropriate jigs or fixtures depends on the process, workpiece, and production volume. Proper use and design of these tools significantly enhance manufacturing quality and productivity. Thank you.